Ready?
Yep. You?
Yep. Right. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. You look okay for the merge. We're going square right into square left. Square left into square right. Keep tight on the exit. We're going. Yep. Square left into square right. Square right into square left. Will they move that tyre actually?
No,
Head down.
I don't.
One square left tight. Into square right. Square right. Then square right into square left tight. Then square left into square right tight. Left dip. Square left.
Oh, that's a puddle. Sorry, I missed that.
Square right. Hairpin left. We're going to split left. Split left. And then a left hand we triple chicane. Wide out on the hairpin, turn right. Square right, square left. Square left. Right entry triple chicane. Watch for the merge. One square right into square left. And square left into square right. Keep tight on the exit. Square left into square right. Square right into square left. Remember the tyre in the road. Round here. Look. It's be good now.
Yeah.
Square left tight into square right. Left tight. Square left into square right, tight. Then left dip. Square left into square right. Into hairpin left. Square left. Hairpin and split left, split left, in the left end Henry triple chicane. Out wide at the hairpin for a square right and a square left. Square right. Square left. Right. You alright?
Yep.
Right Henry triple chicane. Watch the merge. You've got one coming in on your right. Left Henry, sorry. I was watching them.
Yeah.
Square left. Square left. Into square right. Keep it tight. Square left, into square right. And square right, into square left. Square left, into square right, tight. Square right into square left tight. Square left into square right tight. Left nips on square left into square right into hairpin left. We're going to split right this time, split right, into square right over finish. I did not press that on time. Did we hit him there?
No, of course. That's all we had there.
What did we do last time?
Oh, you're asking the wrong person there.
I know. 30 years, 7. I'm not very good at maths, David. Not good at maths.